Hello, welcome to my Padlet. My Padlet is organized chronologically by units. I found an example for each learning outcome in Unit 1 through 7. You can find which unit and what learning outcome at the top of each insert. Like here, Unit 4 learning outcome, and down here is the actual learning outcome that was to be used, practiced, and found out. Here is an example down here. That's in each one of my inserts. I tried to dissect each learning outcome and find an example that fit exactly what the outcome was saying. I also tried to use all kinds of examples, for instance, TED Talks, articles, infographics. I even used a photograph of my own classroom, which is right here. Which is the one showing alternative seating as a current trend. I also have it down here at Unit 7, using it for an example of what my new favorite app, ThingLink, can do. ThingLink was a resource that I was most excited about adding to my Padlet. I'm really, really liking it. My new learning occurred as I was looking for some tools and apps to add to my Padlet. I also found Symbaloo, which I knew about but wasn't using efficiently, and of course, ThingLink. I took some serious time trying to figure out how ThingLink worked, and I can't wait to share it with my class and with my team. Speaking of sharing my Padlet with others, I found that I not only learned many new things with my Padlet, but I'm going to approach my principal about sharing it out with my team so they can have access to the many resources and new apps that I have found. As far as using Padlet with my students, I think it would be an excellent way to map out an entire unit for them because you can literally add anything to the Padlet. I could put every single item and assignment needed there and have them be self-paced and self-guided throughout the unit. I would certainly give many lessons where needed, but each student could take full control of their own learning. I really enjoyed putting this Padlet together. I think I will use it, come back to it and use it quite a bit in the future. And I hope you find everything you need here. Thank you.